Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to TechInsight Daily, your go-to channel for the latest in the tech world. Today, we've got something exciting for you. We'll be exploring 7 easy methods to unlock and access ChatGPT-4 for free. Yes, you heard it right, ChatGPT-4, the latest and greatest in natural language processing. So, let's dive right in. Method 1, Bing Access. Our first method takes us to the familiar grounds of Bing. Microsoft has integrated ChatGPT-4 capabilities into Bing, allowing you to have dynamic conversations without spending a dime. Step 1. Visit Bing at bing.com. Step 2. Look for the Chat Now feature. Step 3. Switch to creative mode for ChatGPT-4. Step 4. Ask away. Explore the multimodal capabilities for an enhanced experience. This integration not only expands Bing's functionality but also provides features like live internet responses, image generation, and citation retrieval. Method 2, Hugging Face. Next up, we have Hugging Face, a platform that directly connects you to the OpenAI API for a seamless ChatGPT-4 experience. Step 1. Visit the Hugging Face website or ChatGPT-4 web app. Step 2. Input your text prompts and engage with ChatGPT-4. Step 3. Experience free access with potential delays or go private with your API key. Hugging Face's Chat with GPT-4 is your space for experimentation and understanding advanced language processing features. Method 3. Ora.sh. For our third method, we're looking at Ora.sh, a user-friendly platform for accessing ChatGPT-4 with no message limits or waiting queues. Step 1. Visit Ora.sh at ora.sh/OpenAI/GPT-4. Step 2. Sign in or create a new account. Step 3. Access ChatGPT-4 and ask your questions immediately. Ora.sh offers a seamless and uninterrupted experience, making it easy for users to experiment and leverage ChatGPT-4. Method 4, Nat.dev. Moving on to Method 4, Nat.dev, the brainchild of Nat Friedman, ex-CEO of GitHub, provides a straightforward process to access ChatGPT-4. Step 1. Visit Nat.dev at Nat.dev. Step 2. Sign up and change the model to GPT-4 in the settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Playground tab and start interacting with ChatGPT-4. Nat.dev allows users to freely access ChatGPT-4 for various applications, with the flexibility to switch between different language models. Method 5. Perplexity AI. Our fifth method takes us to Perplexity AI, an AI-powered search engine providing a straightforward process to access ChatGPT-4. Step 1. Visit Perplexity AI at perplexity.ai. Step 2. Sign up and toggle on Copilot for enhanced search results. Step 3. Ask your questions in the search bar and utilize queries wisely. Perplexity AI performs intelligent searches, offering context-aware results powered by ChatGPT-4. Method 6. Merlin Chrome Extension. Method 6 brings us to Merlin, an AI-powered Chrome extension, integrating ChatGPT-4 seamlessly into your browsing experience. Step 1. Visit the Merlin Chrome extension page at merlin-extension.com. Step 2. Add the extension to Chrome and pin it for easy access. Step 3. Choose GPT-4 in the extension's drop-down menu and start interacting. Merlin, with its 51 free queries, serves as an intelligent guide across various topics, making it a convenient tool for ChatGPT-4 enthusiasts. And there you have it, 7 easy methods to unlock ChatGPT-4 for free. Before you go experimenting, remember a few best practices. Craft precise prompts, acknowledge limitations, and always exercise caution and critical thinking. Let us know in the comments which method you're most excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. This is TechInsight Daily, signing off. Happy chatting with ChatGPT-4.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.